it does different things with the remote control. But I'm excited. Now I'm about to put the ornaments on. So the ornaments are in one of these 2 Amazon boxes. I did order some off Amazon. So I'm about to open it and show y'all. So it has to be this one. Alright. So here are the ornaments, and I'm gonna insert a picture for you so you can see how it looks. So yeah, I don't know about this because why is it orange with the bag? You gotta put the little things on there. Y'all, this gonna take forever. Like, it's supposed to look like this. Oh well, I'm about to put these together and then I'll put them on the tree.